You can feel connected to a country, even before you know how to become part of it. But when you start searching, clarity is hard to find.
There's a lot, but
Yeah.
nothing really fits.
I know.
What if the path was simple and made for your situation? A clear system, step by step, designed for real people with different backgrounds, different goals.
This looks structured.
You learn through simple, focused lessons, built to be understood, not memorized.
Each lesson has video, audio, and PDFs. You can practice with shadowing. There are quizzes and a final summary in English.
That makes it much easier.
Let's try this.
Okay.
Az első világháború kirobbanása. Az első világháború közvetlen kiváltó oka egy merénylet volt. 1914. június 28-án Szarajevóban egy szerb nacionalista, Gavrilo Princip meggyilkolta Ferenc Ferdinándot, az osztrák-magyar monarchia trónörökösét és feleségét. Az első világháború kirobbanása.
That's clear.
Clear explanations, practical vocabulary, and guided practice you can actually use.
Janus Kölcsey Ferenc verse, zenéjét Erkel Ferenc szerezte. Isten áld meg a magyart jó kedvvel, bőséggel.
You listen,
Végrehajtás.
you repeat, you build confidence naturally, and you always know what to do next. No confusion, no guessing.
This actually makes sense.
Yeah.
Wait, there is also a YouTube channel.
Wow.
Oh, look at this one. Hungarian history explained simply. That's exactly what I was struggling with. Fact or fiction game.
The revolution.
I like that you can start in English and then move to Hungarian.
Oh wait, they also have podcast in simplified Hungarian.
Sziasztok! Ma Petőfi Sándorról lesz szó. Ugye mindenkinek beugrik a neve, mint a magyar költészet, a forradalom, a szabadság szinonímája. Vágjunk is bele, nézzük meg, hogyan lesz egy emberből szimbólum. Ha
That's actually perfect for listening practice.
Start your journey today with clarity and confidence.
We
We
found
found
it.
it.